Albion. We just sold a house. What, I think a couple blocks down that way on Albion. Same street. Albion has been good to us. Nigga, that ain't no fence. Talking about this orange stuff?
It's like a temporary fence.
Yeah.
But it wouldn't be hard to put some little stuff from here to there.
No, it wouldn't. I don't know what the hell that. Oh, is that a solar panel?
Yeah, I was gonna say it was a small roof, but it's like sections to this house.
Yeah.
It actually is 2 rooms in one.
Right. I think that's a solar panel. Maybe not. I don't know. Extreme.
A lot of roof work. It's a lot of roof. There must be a lot of house. There's gonna be a lot of red house.
We'll go right to the basement. It's a big basement. God,
it's a big house.
You ain't lying. Jesus. Man, imagine this bad boy finished. They got the bathroom down here already.
Finished.
You know, finished better.
Finished newer?
Better, newer, whatever word you want to use. They took all the. Man, they even got its own room for the furnace and hot water tank. And there's even more basement through this hole. What's back there?
There's more basement through that hole.
They got. What was that? They got the safe. What's in here?
Huh?
Oh, let's see what's in the safe. Is the light working? What's over here? I got a little mold, but nothing crazy. Yeah, bathroom. Shoot, I would have just knocked that wall. Is that a brick wall? No, I would have knocked that wall out and put the shower. You don't need that much room for the water thing, meter. This is a nice basement. It's a big basement, man. And you got more room over here. A whole living room. Man, this one, I remember these kind of basement boys. Take y'all butt to the basement. We could not stay upstairs for nothing. It was either the room or the basement. No sitting in grown folks' face. Had the same floor and everything, nigga. I'm talking about this bring back helly memories. Basement cold as hell. Mama ain't care. Get to the basement. We can't see the walls though.
Right. So we wouldn't touch that.
What the fuck? Bro, that scared the shit out of me. Why you playing?
My bad.
Like, what is that? You can see the water though.
Yeah, it's gonna be some water because all basement got some problems.
All of them.
Can't see where it's at to
Got
address
the bars though.
So what do you do? You just paint this? Paint it, fresh paint it, put some mold in? Paint the floor?
You definitely gotta paint the floor.
Put it back like it never got wet.
You know, an inspector and an appraiser gonna know. They gonna see the same. Well, they ain't gonna know it's wet if we paint it, but they know what to look for. They know more than I do.
Well,
But
have it all tore
one
out.
thing I will say, I don't smell no water. You know what I'm saying? It don't smell like musty. But I like it. For 54, only thing is that backyard look janky.
Backyard is clean. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the part that's connected to the
Put up a privacy fence? Or what?
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Or metal fence?
Damn, these big rooms too.
It's a big house.
Yeah, right. You got it upstairs?
No.
That's why it's so spaced out, spacious in the basement. Why you ain't say that? It's not that big then. It's just spread out more.
This is nice. This is a nice one.
Yes, it is.
Nice.
And these floors can be redone. They ain't got no cracks in them, no spaces. There's bathroom.
Somebody shot that piston through here. You might shot that gun through there.
Damn. From where? From the projects. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be out here. Niggas don't want to be. Look at this.
But this block is a back there, though. You know how that was.
Damn, where did the bullet go? It went from boom, boom, and then
CSI. Alright, CSI, tell me where it's at.
I don't know.
Say,
Yeah.
nighttime, kid. Don't look at this wall, baby. You probably around the alley. You can much need an alley right here. Open up the half wall.
Yeah, I like this house. 54. They might take the 40 ball. Damn, it's big. This is nice space, bro. My creative juices is flowing. You feel me? You don't feel
Definitely
me?
have to get the floors sanded down.
Yeah, it's a lot of floor. A lot of floor. That's a nice fireplace. Look at this shit. Beautiful. I wouldn't even paint this. I would just
You might as well leave all the wood.
well, not the kitchen.
Open up just the half wall, put the little thing there again.
Like a wild, like
What's on the other side of the wall? What goes there?
Tile.
This just like Albion
It's
right
the
here.
exact same layout. Cause yeah, the wall would have been there, the bathroom's there. Yup, and the same.
Albion had upstairs.
Only difference is that upstairs. So instead of upstairs, they just spreaded it out.
Same street though, so what you're
How far down is other one?
Probably a block, 2 blocks, a block or 2.
So this probably where you seeing that.
So you need all on the roof. You need all on the roof. You need that solar shit sitting on. So it's a hell of a clean out.
It's not really a clean out.
But you might have to clean it out. Let's take all that panel off the basement walls.
Yeah, that's
Strip
true.
it down.
I just don't know what's behind them though. That's
It's okay. Put up new panel. If it works.
or new one.
You need a hell of a budget.
I mean, well, it ain't much to do.
The problem is the house ain't gonna be worth much.
Yeah, that's
It's bad
was.
motherfucker.
Yeah,
It's bad motherfucker. 115.
I had to get it at 40 then. Put 30 in it, 40 all in, 70, 115. That's yeah.
You gotta get it for 30 something.
Or 30 something even better. How long you been on the market?
I don't know.
Damn, this is a nice one. I like this layout.
Oh yeah. I love a ranch style house.
Me too. Man, I don't even want to stand by that window. Them might be out here playing games. That's scary. Over here too. This one over here too.
Yeah.
You see it? This is a little BB gun here. Oh no, that might have just been somebody throwing something. Man, I don't care. The projects is an eyesore, dog. You would have to put some, I don't know, a wooden fence up. Have to spend a little bit more money for it. Yeah, but it's just
The projects is this apartment building.
Nigga, that's low income housing. What you mean?
I doubt it.
What? Bro, listen to me.
I doubt it.
How much you want to bet? Bet 50 push-ups.
It's a nice thing like that, you know.
38.
Yeah, what you can, but they ain't got a garage.
It don't.
So-
That's another thing. Damn. So if Albion appraised at 115 with the garage, a brick, nice garage at that, what you think?
We had the windows or no roof, so that might make a difference.
That is true. The windows wasn't new. I don't know.
Probably would have appraised about 120, 130.
And that was a nice house though.
Yeah, I love the house. It'll be a badass house.
I want to see what this is on the roof. Woo! I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know. I've never seen it before. like it though.